It's another Sunday. You know what that means. It's time to take it slow. और विशु क्या हाल चाल?
यार हम लोगों ने जो पिछले 2 एपिसोड से जो ट्रेडिशन शुरू की है, आई थिंक वो डैड जोक सुनने के बाद ही मैं बता पाऊंगा आपको कि क्या हाल चाल है और अगले 20 मिनट 30 मिनट आधा घंटा क्या हाल चाल रहने वाले हैं, तो प्लीज.
Okay, so as you know, we have this tradition of a dad joke. Until you reach a particular subscriber mark, I will continue to do that. So, Vishu, are you ready for this week's dad joke?
आई एम नॉट.
Ready or not, here it comes. So, Vishu, I recently decided to join a super sex club.
ओके.
Unfortunately, I ordered the soup.
हाँ, बहुत सही हाल चाल नहीं है. बहुत बहुत डिप्रेसिंग दिन रहा है मेरा आज पूरा. और अब अगले आधे घंटे आपको वही डिप्रेशन देखने वाला है. नथिंग टू डू विद द जोक, बस दिन ही बहुत डिप्रेसिंग था. या ठीक है, बट जोक्स अपार्ट, हम लोगों ने जब आज का हम टॉपिक डिसाइड कर रहे थे ना, तो मेरे को एक चीज़ रियलाइज हुआ कि सही में मीडिया हमारा कितना थॉट प्रोसेस मतलब चेंज करता है या इफेक्ट करता है. सो टुडे विल बी डिस्कसिंग जो पंजाब में जो भी पॉलिटिकल केओस चल रहा है, एंड आई वाज लाइक कि हाँ, पंजाब में सीएम ने रेजिग्नेशन दिया, बट उत्तराखंड ने भी रेजिग्नेशन दिया, गुजरात में भी रेजिग्नेशन दिया, बट नो.
लेकिन उसके बारे में बात क्यों करेंगे, क्योंकि वो तो बीजेपी स्टेट से है. अरे सब कुछ सीमलेस है, एकदम सीमलेस ट्रांजिशन चल रहा है. कुछ सोचने के लिए है ही नहीं. प्रॉब्लम है
मतलब
तो
वो
पंजाब में.
दैट्स पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ पॉलिटिकल लाइफ अगर उन स्टेट्स में होता है तो, बट अगर पंजाब में हो रहा है तो नहीं.
So, if you have been living under a rock for the last week, Punjab political scenario has undergone a massive shift. The week started with a resignation letter that Sherpa himself wrote to the high command of Congress, Madam Sonia Gandhi, and he resigned on Twitter. He put out this letter on Twitter and he resigned through Twitter.
Yeah, I'm seeing we are living in a weird space right now. Like Twitter has really become something जहाँ पे ऐसे official statements आ रहे हैं.
Yep.
और जहाँ पता नहीं, बहुत ही weird space में हम.
So he resigned, but a very few people realized कि हाँ, ये पंजाब का हेड ऑफ कांग्रेस था उस टाइम तक. इसके रिजाइन करने के बाद रियलाइज हुआ लोगों को. So we thought we'll take a step back and tell you guys, like we always do, that not only was Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu the Congress chief of Punjab, he was brought in to replace the then incumbent CM of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh. Now, there are multitudes of reasons why he was forced out, he resigned, or he was asked to resign. And in a consumable manner, like we always do, we'll give you 5 reasons why Captain Amrinder Singh resigned. Let's start with reason number 1, Vishu.
Yeah, yes.
This is not Captain Amrinder Singh.
He resigned because Shahid Kapoor is so fucking hot.
This is Amrinder Singh.
Yeah.
Yes.
So as no prizes for guessing, this is a pick from Udta Punjab. So Captain Amrinder Singh's government was in power with 2 promises that it will sort out the drug menace.
So drug menace which has been rampant in Punjab. So I've been to Punjab and I have seen myself bus stations, public places में people consuming hard drugs, injecting hard drugs. So it is as if you think that it is overblown in the media, no, it is not. It is really, really bad.
I think you just made that tourism wala ad for Punjab.
बस स्टेशन पे आपको सिरिंज मिलेगी, बढ़िया.
Yeah, that should be in the tourism ad यार. Incredible Punjab.
कुछ दिन तो गुजारो पंजाब में.
हाँ, तो ड्रग मैनेज बहुत था, तो उस पे भी कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह की गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं कर पाए. Then there was something called the sacrilegious cases. तो इसका बेसिकली बैकग्राउंड ये था कि there were 3 incidents जहाँ पे जो होली बुक्स हैं सिखिज्म की, they were tampered with. तो एक जगह पे वो चोरी हो गया था. हाँ, एक जगह पे उसके पेजेस फटे हुए मिले थे गुरुद्वारा के सामने, तो प्रोटेस्ट हो रहे थे. सो something happened and police had to fire on the protesters. So this was a very big issue.
keep this point in mind for later. This
Yes.
has इसका हम call back करेंगे.
Yeah, कि
Not
police
a
had to
laughing
fire.
matter, but काफी ओपन फायर हुआ था, पुलिस फायरिंग
तो
हुई थी उस टाइम
उस पे भी कोई no significant progress नहीं हुआ उन cases पे. The first reason was this.
So moving to the second reason, the second reason was that all the MLAs felt that Captain Amrinder Singh was really inaccessible. He spent most of his time in his farmhouse, secluded from general public, and he really did not give two hoots about what was really going on in the state, and even with the MLAs. So he was not a popular figure with the MLAs.
One of the let alone giving an audience to the normal public, even the MLAs couldn't get an audience with him. So ये था.
Yeah.
Coming to the third point, this is interesting. Here's a video for you.
तो गलत फहमी है, ब्यूरोक्रेसी कुछ नहीं होती, चप्पल उठाने वाली होती है, चप्पल उठाती है हमारी, हम लोग ही राजी हो जाते हैं उसके लिए जी, हम अलग से, क्योंकि हमें समझाया जाता है कि आपका बहुत बड़ा चक्कर पड़ जाएगा अगर आप ऐसा हो गया तो. आपको क्या लगता है कि ब्यूरोक्रेसी नेता को घुमाती है? नहीं नहीं नहीं, अकेले में बात हो जाती है पहले और फिर ब्यूरोक्रेसी फाइल बना के लाती है. हम तो 11 साल के.
So this is what we think bureaucracy is. What we've been told bureaucracy is.
This is not what we
we've been
think.
told. Yeah.
Yeah, this is what the have-been Union Minister Uma Bharti feels and tells us what bureaucracy is. But it seems like that wasn't the case in Punjab, and it was completely the opposite. And the politicians really took it in a very harsh and a hard way. So Captain Amrinder Singh appointed an IAS officer, Suresh Kumar, as his secretary. And basically, he was the de facto power center in the state. So politicians definitely, जो MLAs थे, they didn't take kindly to it. And one of the वो spark देने वाला ना fire में, the incident was that the government gave a loan waiver to farmers.
Yeah,
something
to farmers,
5,000
yeah.
crore, 5,000 crores or something. And being a bureaucrat, he doesn't give, he doesn't care कि credit किसको मिल रहा है.
Yep.
उन लोगों ने direct बैंक में transfer कर दिया.
Like you should. Like
Yes,
you
yes,
should.
like you should. And MLAs were angry कि हमें क्रेडिट लेने का भी नहीं मौका मिला, हमें इलेक्शन में जाना होता है, हम क्या बोलेंगे कि हमने क्या करा है. Maybe they weren't smart enough to print 1,000 posters for every square meter.
Thank you.
Yes.
So another reason was in a number of external surveys that were conducted by the Congress Party. The surveys showed that the popularity of Captain Amrinder Singh in the general public as well, was diminishing really quickly, because he wasn't able to deliver on his promises through which he had come to power. So it was obvious that his popularity was diminishing. And the fifth and final, or the biggest reason, was
the final nail in the coffin.
The final clap in the coffin, I should say.
Yeah,
was the emergence of a young leader, a vibrant and energetic, a youthful and aggressive leader in the Punjab circle.
A laughing leader, in short.
So Navjot Sidhu was becoming a star very quickly in the Punjab political scene, and his emergence, his presence could not have been ignored further. So that was, as you said, the final.
And बहुत सारे लोगों को, बहुत सारे MLAs ने support किया सिद्धू को. Yeah, like before we go into Sidhu's political discussion, I want to mention, like I really respect that guy. मतलब for his command on the language. मतलब आप उसे हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में, उर्दू में, you can किसी भी चीज पे आप उस पे एक इतना अच्छा मतलब जो भी है मुहावरा या बुलवा सकते हो ना. I really respect that guy
यार लैंग्वेज मुहावरा बिल्कुल सही बोला तूने. एंड उसकी कंसिस्टेंसी भी इतनी सही है ना, वो मतलब एक चीज को इतनी अच्छी बार रिपीट कर सकता है, तुम्हें पता नहीं चलेगा वो उस चीज को पहली बार नहीं बोल रहा है. जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल.
आकाश की कोई सीमा नहीं, पृथ्वी का कोई तोल नहीं, साधु की कोई जात नहीं, और पारस और बापू आसाराम का कोई तोल नहीं, कोई मोल नहीं. आकाश की कोई सीमा नहीं, पृथ्वी का कोई तोल नहीं, साधु की कोई जात नहीं, और पारस और नरेंद्र भाई मोदी का कोई तोल नहीं, कोई मोल नहीं. क्योंकि आकाश की कोई सीमा नहीं, पृथ्वी का कोई तोल नहीं, साधु की कोई जात नहीं, पारस और सोनिया जी का कोई तोल नहीं, कोई मोल नहीं. आकाश की कोई सीमा नहीं, पृथ्वी का कोई तोल नहीं, साधु की कोई जात नहीं और पारस और बाबा नानक का कोई तोल नहीं, कोई मोल नहीं, कोई तोल नहीं, कोई मोल नहीं।
Brilliant.
Yes. Practice makes a man perfect. Yeah, practice
Man
makes a
perfect.
perfect.
So Navjot Singh Sidhu was appointed as the chief of Punjab Congress, and Captain Amrinder Singh was politely asked to step away, and which he did. And
I'm not so sure how politely he did, because after Sidhu was appointed as the Congress chief, he made a number of statements that this man is not capable to be the chief of a border state because he has such good relations with Imran Khan, or he's not stable. Like, even after Navjot Singh Sidhu resigned, he gave a very "I told you so" tweet out. So yeah, politely.
हाँ ठीक है, not nicely, but he stepped away. And following the orders of the High Command, a man who Navjot Singh Sidhu supported, Chiranjit Singh Channi, was then appointed the Chief Minister of Punjab with all the blessings of the Congress Party.
Yeah. And जब
But-
ये वाला मीटिंग हुआ था, like सिद्धू had his hand on the shoulders, तो ऐसे बोला जा रहा था कि he is the super CM. सिद्धू will be the super CM now.
But it was not all smooth sailing from then onwards. And as they say, that's where the trouble began. That smile, that damned smile.
It was not happy ever after.
So, like we recapped Captain Amrinder Singh's journey, we'll also recap the 5 reasons why Navjot Singh Sidhu resigned. Number 1 was a man called O.P. Soni. Vishu, who was O.P. Soni?
Yeah, he's the current deputy CM. So to clear all confusions out, there are 2 deputy CMs right now. The first one is O.P. Soni, and basically Sidhu didn't really get what he wanted out of becoming the Congress chief. So this guy, he became the deputy CM. He was the guy who had nearly defeated Sidhu, fighting against him in parliamentary elections in 2009. He's a guy who has been in legal tussles with Sidhu. So definitely it wouldn't have been a good thing to digest for him. तो पहला रीजन
बट
तो यही हो गया
बट
कि
ये हुआ क्यों? क्योंकि हाई कमांड ने बोला है तो
जी हाँ।
होगा. Moving on to the second reason. The second reason is the second deputy CM, Mr. Randhawa. Why was Mr. Randhawa a problem?
as Sidhu was being seen as super CM, he was like चन्नी मेरा छोटा भाई है तो इसमें बहुत पावर होगी. But as per the high command's orders, very important portfolios were given to Mr. Randhawa instead of being given to Channi. So I just want to check how many holes are there in the foot of Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi, which they have made by their own guns. Like, what are they doing, यार? चीफ बना के पंजाब कांग्रेस का तुम कुछ कर भी नहीं रहे हो, पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हो. No clue. Yeah, we should come to the third reason now.
The third reason is, of course, Rana Gurjeet Singh. Rana Gurjeet Singh, incidentally, was removed from the cabinet in 2018 on charges of corruption. And common sense dictates he would not be appointed in the cabinet again. But common sense isn't as common these days, and he was appointed in the cabinet again. And Sidhu was dead against it, rightfully so. Moving to the fourth reason is a guy called APS Deol.
That's our
Vishu,
callback.
that is our callback. Vishu, why is this guy important?
Yeah, so as we mentioned in the Amrinder Singh case, that why the first reason that he was removed, कि sacrilegious cases में कुछ भी no headway was made to resolve those issues. So this guy APS Deol, he was the counsel to the police chief सुमेध सिंह, जो उस टाइम पे जब शूटिंग्स करे गए थे प्रोटेस्टर्स के ऊपर, ही वाज द पुलिस पंजाब पुलिस चीफ बैक देन. बट ये उनके लॉयर थे. अब उनको मतलब instead of being against them, क्योंकि वो sacrilegious issue is a big issue for any political party in Punjab, इनको अटॉर्नी जनरल बना दिया, like who represent the state in any cases against anyone. तो definitely Sidhu was against that, क्योंकि Sidhu has been in the right, in my opinion, in many of these cases. Like, he was supporting the right causes. I'm not saying anyone is a bad guy, वो तो उनके lawyer है, उनकी job है, but from his political perspective, anyone would be angered कि भाई लोगों का इशू नहीं कीजिएगा और नहीं डील कर रहे हो और तुम उसको और एग्रावेट कर रहे हो.
Now, the fifth reason as well is in a similar vein itself. So Navjot Sidhu wanted the chief of police to be someone called Mr. Chattopadhyay, who he felt would do a good job in driving out the drug problem, driving out the corruption, etc., etc. But of course, जो उसको चाहिए था वो नहीं मिला, and this
Mr. I.
gentleman
Sahota.
called Mr. I.S. Sahota was made the chief of police. So again,
Yeah.
Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu, the president of Congress in Punjab, the president, I repeat,
Yep.
did not get what he wanted from the party. So uh, you can debate till the cows come home if Sidhu's demands or expectations were right or wrong. But essentially, there were reasons due to which Sidhu felt that he was the Congress party president in name only and not in any actual powers or any actual influence. So that's why probably he resigned.
या एंड राइटफुली सो यार, मतलब इफ यू वर इन अ कंपनी जो आपको बस प्रमोशन दे देती है लेकिन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज भी बढ़ा देगी लेकिन आपको पैसे नहीं देगी, ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करेगी, तो यू एनी वन ऑफ अस वुड डू द सेम.
Dude, that seems like a personal attack right now.
No comments.
So any of us would do the same. ठीक है. Yeah, so that was our episode this week. We tried to cover the political turmoil in Punjab in as brief or as crisp a manner as possible. As always, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe this video if you like the content. If you like this style of videos, bite-sized information videos, do let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, keep taking it slow. Bye, guys.